So a forest ranger is on top, so over here, on top of a fire tower that is 120 feet, right? She sights a fire at an angle of depression of 3 degrees. Right? So if this is the horizontal, an angle of depression of 3 degrees, right? Let's just draw the base here. Right? It's going to be something like this, where this is 3 degrees. Okay. Now we want to find out how far is the fire from the base of the tower to the fire here. Okay, so this is x. This is the distance we want to find, right? And notice that this angle here is just 90 degrees minus 3. So that's 87 degrees. So according to this angle, right, we have our opposite side missing and we have our adjacent. So using tangent of 87, the opposite is x, the adjacent is 120. Multiply both sides by 120 to isolate for x. Okay, and you'll get approximately 2,289.7 feet, right? Rounded to the nearest feet is just 2,290.